exercise is really good to help speed up that outside hind leg to react to the rider's, aid. For me in my flying changes, I half halt on the new outside rein and I aid with my new outside leg. So for me, since day one, since I've started the turn on the forehand, my left calf controls the left hind leg. My right calf controls the right hind leg. So if I'm on the right lead and I need the horse to fly the change over to the left lead, that stride is going to be started with that outside right hind leg. So for me, that makes only logical sense because since day one we've done turns on the forehands and leg yields. The horse needs to learn how to move that hind leg from the pressure of the same corresponding leg. So for me, I half halt when the right front would be on the ground, and I aid with my right calf as the horse is leaving the right lead, and he needs to engage that right hind leg to jump onto the left lead. So that's why I keep it super simple. Of course, it's not easy and it's not simple to do the changes and teach the changes, but I want to make it as consistent with the rest of my training as much as possible. So I don't make it a science project and it doesn't become confusing for the horse. I like to keep everything absolutely as simple and straightforward. So again, we are going to be on a 20-meter circle, and I'm going to spiral down to probably about a 10-meter circle. And then in that circle, I'm going to make a very collected canter. I'd like to go down to one step of walk and then right away back to canter. It's a really good exercise isolating the timing for the rider, the ability to collect the horse, and the ability to drive a specific hind leg. Because of course, when we've listened to all the other videos, making a flying change depends on three things. Number one, quality of the canter. Number two, the quality of the reaction to the half halt. And number three, the quality of the reaction to my new outside leg. So this is, again, when we are attempting to fix a flying change, it's really never the best idea to fix it actually in the flying change, because that's already a place of stress for the horse. And I don't want to attach any type of correction or he's got to get quicker off my leg. I don't want to attach that to the flying change itself, because that then makes the horse can't differentiate, oh, my right hind leg is slow. He's going to attach that quick kick or tap with the stick to the moment of the flying change, which is already a little bit disruptive to, what he thinks is the right thing. His whole life we've been asking him to pick up the correct lead, and now he's like, I'm doing that. And then all of a sudden we're like, no, get the other lead in the air. They're like, oh. It gets a little bit, a little nerve-wracking and a little frustrating, because we have to sort of make a quick change in a small moment. It's it has to be kind of as quick as a lightning bolt to be put those aids on for that change.